Have you ever noticed someone who never posts pictures online? No selfies, no birthday uploads, no vacation albums. In a world obsessed with visibility, they almost seem invisible. But psychology says that silence speaks volumes. It reveals something powerful about their confidence, emotional intelligence, and self-awareness. Let's decode the real psychology behind people who don't post their photos on social media. 1. Privacy over popularity. Psychologists say people who stay low-key online value privacy as power. They don't overshare because they understand how much peace comes from keeping life private. They're not hiding. They're just protecting their mental space. While others chase likes and validation, they find satisfaction in quiet confidence. They don't need an audience to feel valuable. 2. Self-awareness over self-promotion. Studies on self-concept clarity show that people who share less online tend to have a strong sense of identity. They know who they are without needing to post about it. Their confidence comes from purpose, not popularity. They don't follow trends, they follow values. 3. Emotional security and real confidence. Posting less often signals something called secure self-esteem. It's the type of confidence that doesn't need attention to survive. They don't post selfies to prove their worth, because they already feel it. Research links this kind of emotional security to lower anxiety, stronger focus, and better real-world relationships. 4. Thinkers, not performers. People who stay quiet online tend to think deeply offline. They post with intention, not impulse. Psychologists call this an internal locus of evaluation, meaning they measure success by their own standards, not social media metrics. They prefer real conversations over curated performances. 5. They see through the social media illusion. Most of them understand how fake the digital world can be. Social comparison theory explains how constantly viewing other people's highlight reels can distort your own reality. By staying private, they avoid the trap of comparing their behind the scenes to someone else's best moments. They choose peace over performance. So next time you meet someone who doesn't post their pictures, don't assume they're shy, detached, or secretive. They might just be more grounded, more self-aware, and more emotionally intelligent than most people online. They don't need to be seen to feel seen, and that is real confidence. If you love decoding human behavior, self-awareness, and modern psychology, hit that follow or subscribe button. Because here, we don't just scroll through people's feeds, we understand them.